Mountain architecture at its best, discovering stunning homes in nature. Introduction: the essence of minimalism in mountain homes. Welcome to the Nookup YouTube channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey through the captivating world of minimalist interiors in mountain living. Minimalism is not just a design trend, it's a lifestyle choice that promotes simplicity, functionality, and a profound connection to nature. In the context of mountain homes, this architectural approach highlights the beauty of the surrounding landscape while providing serene, clutter-free living spaces. We will explore how minimalist design principles can be effectively integrated into mountain architecture, resulting in homes that are not only visually stunning but also deeply harmonious with their natural settings. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on more architectural. The essence of mountain architecture. Mountain architecture embodies a unique design philosophy that prioritizes harmony with nature. These homes are often built using local materials that reflect the region's landscape, such as stone, wood, and glass. By integrating natural elements into their designs, architects create spaces that feel both inviting and authentic. The use of large windows and open spaces enhances the connection between indoor and outdoor environments, allowing residents to fully immerse themselves in the stunning beauty of their surroundings. This philosophy not only serves aesthetic purposes but also Innovative design features. The modern mountain house is often characterized by innovative design features that enhance both functionality and comfort. Open floor plans allow for versatile living spaces that can adapt to the needs of the inhabitants. High ceilings and strategically placed skylights create an airy ambience, while large glass doors provide seamless transitions to outdoor living areas. These design elements foster a sense of openness and spaciousness, making the home feel expansive even in more compact footprints. Additionally, multifunctional rooms, like home office, Sustainable building practices. Sustainability is at the forefront of mountain architecture, with many homes incorporating eco-friendly building practices. From solar panels to geothermal heating systems, architects are increasingly focused on minimizing their environmental impact. Using locally sourced materials reduces transportation emissions and supports the local economy, while energy-efficient designs help lower utility costs for homeowners. Furthermore, the incorporation of green roofs and rainwater harvesting systems not only enhances the home's aesthetic appeal but also promotes biodiversity and water conservation. The role of technology in mountain homes. Advancements in technology have transformed the way we design and live in mountain homes. Smart home systems allow residents to control heating, lighting, and security with ease, providing comfort and convenience at their fingertips. Automated shading systems can optimize natural light while maintaining energy efficiency, and integrated sound systems create the perfect ambience for any occasion. Additionally, innovative construction methods, such as prefabrication and modular building, streamline the construction process and reduce waste. By embracing blending indoor and outdoor living. One of the most captivating aspects of mountain architecture is its emphasis on blending indoor and outdoor living. Expansive decks, terraces, and patios extend the living space, allowing homeowners to enjoy the natural beauty of their surroundings. Outdoor kitchens and fire pits create inviting areas for gatherings and relaxation, making nature an integral part of daily life. Architects often design homes with multiple outdoor access points, ensuring that residents can seamlessly transition between their indoor sanctuary and the great outdoors. This connection to nature Aesthetic diversity in mountain homes. Mountain architecture is marked by a rich diversity of styles that reflect the unique characteristics of different regions. From rustic log cabins to sleek modern designs, these homes showcase a variety of architectural influences. Some mountain houses embrace traditional aesthetics, featuring gabled roofs and stone chimneys, while others push the boundaries with minimalist lines and expansive glass facades. This diversity allows homeowners to express their personal style while celebrating the local culture and environment. By showcasing different architectural approaches, mountain homes become a canvas for creativity. Creating a sense of community. Mountain living often fosters a sense of community, as many homes are designed with shared spaces that encourage social interaction. Community centers, hiking trails, and communal gardens create opportunities for neighbors to connect and engage with one another. Architects often incorporate elements that promote gathering, such as fire pits, picnic areas, and outdoor lounges, reinforcing the idea that mountain homes are not just individual retreats but part of a larger community. This sense of belonging enhances the mountain living experience. emphasizing wellness and well-being. Wellness is a key consideration in modern mountain architecture, with designs that promote physical and mental well-being. Natural light, fresh air, and stunning views contribute to a calming environment that enhances relaxation and tranquility. Many mountain homes include spaces dedicated to wellness, such as yoga studios, meditation rooms, or home gyms, allowing residents to prioritize their health without leaving the comfort of their homes. By integrating wellness features into the design, architects create sanctuaries that support a balanced and Conclusion: your dream mountain home awaits. In conclusion, mountain architecture at its best showcases stunning homes that harmonize with nature, offering a unique blend of beauty, functionality, and sustainability. From innovative design features to the integration of technology, these homes are thoughtfully crafted to enhance the mountain living experience. If you found this exploration inspiring, be sure to subscribe, like, and comment below. Your engagement helps us continue to share incredible architectural ideas and designs. Thank you for joining us on this journey.